Hey, it's Gina with WTI. My favorite thing about this cupper from VEACOOL is that it has heat and it has a remote for easy use. So if you've been intimidated by the thought of cupping at home or thought it was something that could only be done in a professional's office, then think again because this is really simple to use. I have found this to be so effective for areas that are tight and have discomfort. It helps to loosen things up and increase blood flow to the area, which really helps to open up areas that you may be having difficulty with. I enjoy using this on my knee. Sometimes I get some tightness in there, and using it around my kneecap has really helped to give me relief. I also use it constantly on my shoulders and my back. What's great about this is because it's automatic, I can reach most areas by myself without the aid of someone else. I do place some light oil over the area I'll be cupping, and then I simply press the power button and put it on. I've found that I like the dynamic mode the best. What it does is it cups up your skin for a little bit, and then it will kind of do this puffing action where it releases and then draws up again. In addition to having 12 different suction levels, there's also heat, and there's 12 different temperatures that you can adjust it to for your comfort level. I also love that this has red light therapy. It also comes with 2 cup sizes that are really easy to remove and replace. I have found this to be so helpful for a post-workout massage or just when I'm feeling tight. And that's my point of view.